Hi, this is Christy from Kinsley Armelle by Christy, and today we are looking at the April Klub Kinsley stack. This is the level 3, so it just arrived today. So as you can see, it always comes in one of these nice little mailers, and then inside each mailer you have your receipt, packing information in case you choose to return it or any part of it, and you also have the Kinsley Armelle box. So this week, or this month I should say, the level 3 comes with 3 pieces. And the first is some new agate. It's actually, at first I thought it was a 2-piece earring, or like 2 sets of earrings, but it's 1 long dangle earring. So it's an agate with a stone above. So some really beautiful earrings here. I'll take them out of the package so you can get a better glimpse of them. So nice thick profile to these earrings. As you can tell with any of their jewelry, it is actual stone, so no 2 pieces are exactly alike. Like, these earrings are quite different, but they do go nicely together. So the first piece is a set of earrings. The next piece is a solid bangle. So this is a solid gold bangle, which will pair with pretty much anything in their collection. If you have a tendency to get their club collections, most of them are gold based rather than any other color. So you'll see that this will pair with pretty much anything that they have in their collection. And as you can tell, everything works together. And then the last piece we have is a stretchy bracelet. This bracelet has a green and gray tinge to it, along with some green stones in it. So all 3 of these items are meant to be worn together. This one has a very unique clasp to it, which is a nice clasp. It won't accidentally fall off on you. So like I said, all 3 of these are meant to be worn together. They're meant to pair with other items in their collection. Right now, this collection is not available, but I'm sure it will be. It's April 6th today, and they still don't have the collection up. But as the collection becomes available, and as these individual pieces become available, they are all not available currently, I will be posting more information. So be sure to click like and subscribe if you want to keep seeing videos like this. Have a good day. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe and like us below. Follow me on Instagram and on my blog using the links below. Shop bit.ly/Kinsley Armelle for my affiliate link for the Kinsley Armelle jewelry. And don't forget to use code C515 for 15% off. Thanks and happy shopping.